starting with numerical number 20, 27 droplets of water. Here there are, suppose these are 27 droplets of water, and here the small droplets radius is given, that is 0.1 millimeter, that is 0.1 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Combines into a single drop. It combines into a single drop. Now the radius of this is not given, so we will have to find. And find the change in surface energy. Change in surface energy. The formula for change in surface energy is tension into change in surface area. Okay, surface area of the small droplets, that is initial surface area of small droplet, of single droplet, is 4 pi r square. So if I combine all of them, there are how many droplets? 27 droplets. And a final droplet, surface area of final droplets is 4 pi capital R square. Okay, so I need this capital R. So let's find out. How you will find out that? By comparing volumes. So initial volume or the volume of single one small droplet, 4 upon 3 pi r cube. This will give you volume of one single droplet. And BF, that is 4 upon 3 pi r cube, capital R cube, will give you the volume of this bigger droplet. Now if I want to find out initial volume, initially if I consider initially is there only one droplet? No, there are 27 droplets. So initially there are 27 into this formula. These volumes are equal. When 27 droplets combine into a single droplet, volume does not change. The initial volume will remain equal to final volume. So 4 upon 3 pi r cube into 27 is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. 4 upon 3, 4 upon 3, 4 upon 3, 4 upon 3. So it is r cube into 27, which is equal to capital R cube. If I take that r cube over here, I'll get cube root. So cube root of r cube will give you r, and cube root of 27 is 3. So that's it. Small r is 0.1 into 10 raised to minus 3. 0.1 into 10 raised to minus 3 into 3 will give you capital R. So it is 3 into 0.1. So 0.3 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter will give you capital R. Now we will look at surface area. Initial surface area, so 4 pi r square into 27. This is what we wrote. Okay, so final surface area we have already mentioned, 4 pi capital R square. So change in surface energy is tension into change in area. What is tension given to us? I didn't write it. Okay, surface tension of water is given, that is 0.072 Newton per meter. 0.072 Newton per meter into change is final area minus initial area. That is 0.072 into what is final area? 4 pi capital R square minus what is initial area? 27 into 4 pi small r square. So 4 pi and 4 pi is common. So 0.072 into 4 pi capital R square minus 27 r square. So 0.072 into 4 pi. Now capital R is 3r. Capital R is 3r. So we can do that way also, or you can just substitute these two values and find out. So it is up to you. I'll substitute the values and find out. R square, capital R is 0.3 into 10 raised to minus 3. Since here it is r square, so 0.3 into 0.3 into 10 raised to minus 3. 10 raised to minus 3, if I take square of 10 raised to minus 3, it will be 10 raised to minus 3. 3 to the 6. 10 raised to minus 6. Okay, minus this 27. Small r square. Small r is 0.1 into 10 raised to minus 3. So 0.1 into 0.1 into 10 raised to again minus 6. Now 10 raised to minus 6, 10 raised to minus 6 is common. So 0.072 into 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 6. Now here it is 0.3, 0.3. So I'll write it like this, 3 upon 10 to make my calculation simpler. and here it is 287. I'll write it as it is. For 0.1 and 0.1 I'll write over here. For the 0.1 I'll take 1 upon 10, and here I'll write 1 upon 10 for the 0.1. So if you notice, 0.072 into 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 6. Here 3 3s are 9 into 10 raised to minus 2 minus 27 into again this 10 and 10. When you take in the numerator, it will be 10 raised to minus 2. So again you have 10 raised to minus 2 as common. So it is 0.072 into 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 6 into 10 raised to minus 2. 9 minus 27 will give you 18. Minus 18. So now it is, okay, I forgot 4 pi 10 raised to minus to 10. Why did I write 10 raised to minus? I should have written, no, 10 raised to minus 6 I took as common, yeah, and then instead of this 10 raised to minus 2 I wrote 10 raised to minus 6. So now it is this minus 0.072 into 4 into 3.142 into 18 into 10 raised to minus 8. Now you can just multiply this 4 into 18 and then carry out with your antilog. Log antilog. 4 8 is 32, 372 into 10 raised to minus 8. So even more simpler I can make my calculation in this case. Because here if you see you are getting 72 and 4 into 18 also give me 72. So 4 8 is 32, yeah, correct. So now what I'll do, minus I'll write 72. There are how many digits after 0.3? So I'll write 1000 in the denominator into 3.142 into 72 into 10 raised to minus 8. So this 10 raised to 3 when I take in the numerator, that becomes, so this is 72 square. This 72 and this 72 square into 10 raised to minus 8 and this 10 raised to minus 3. So you can directly multiply, or instead of multiplying we'll go by log antilog. So minus antilog log of 72, and this power will write in front of log, plus log of 3.142 into 10 raised to minus 8 and minus 3 will give you minus 11. So minus antilog, this 2 as it is, log of 72, you'll look in your log of 72 is 8573, and since there are 2 digits, 2 minus 1 is 1, so 1 point, you will look for 72 का 0, plus there is only 1 digit, 1 minus 1 is 0, 0.3142, that is 31 का 4 का 2 will give you 4972 into 10 raised to minus 11. Then you add this 1.8573, 0.4972. Okay, adding 3 plus 2 is 5, 14, 15, 13, 2, 2.354, 5. So minus antilog. Now here, see, I found out log of 72 and this is this. That should be multiplied by 2 and then added with this number. Okay, so this is wrong. You multiply 2 with this. 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11, 14 to 8 is 16 plus 1 17. So point. 1 second. 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10 11. Okay. Then 2 1s are 2 8 is 16, 17, 1 over here, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3 plus 0.4972 into 10 raised to minus 11. Now you add this, that is 3.7146 with 0.4972, 6 7 8 11 11 12 4.2118. So minus antilog of 4.2118 into 10 raised to minus 11. So 21 1 का 8, antilog में 21 1 का 8, 21 का 1 and 8 is 3. So 1626 plus 3 1629 minus 1 1.629. After one digit you put point into 10 raised to whatever you have over here, 4 into 10 raised to minus 11. So it is minus 1.629 into, when you subtract you will get minus 7, and since that is change in surface energy, so answer will be in joule. Now in your textbook the answer mentioned is positive, but there should be negative sign, because when small droplets combine into a bigger droplet there is change in surface energy, and if that is negative, the change in surface energy is negative, means energy is released during the combination of smaller droplets into a bigger droplets. So if there is question like conclude your answer, so you will say there is release of energy. That's it. This word is important. Energy is released. You can also write energy is released.